Hi, now you are looking at Changan Auchan Z6PHEV. The Z6PHEV center mesh has its own characteristics and sells very well in China. Have you ever seen such a center net design? The headlights of Z6PHEV are beautiful. The Changan Auchan Z6PHEV is equipped with a 28.4 kWh battery, which provides 150 kilometers of pure electric range, enough for short distances in urban areas. If the battery runs out of power, it supports both fast and slow charging settings, allowing for easy charging of the vehicle. When using fast charging, it takes only half an hour to charge from 0 to 80%. This power system is composed of 4 parts: Blue Whale NE 1.5T hybrid specific engine, Blue Whale tri-clutch 6-speed electric drive transmission, large capacity PHEV battery, and IDD intelligent control system. The Blue Whale NE 1.5T hybrid specific engine has a maximum power of 122 kilowatts and a maximum torque of 255 Nm, while the electric motor has a maximum power of 110 kilowatts and a maximum torque of 330 Newton meters. Support fast charging and 3.3 kilowatts external discharge, can do full fuel full charge 1200 km for daily use. The pure electric range of 150 kilometers can meet the daily use of the car. Daily use of the car is completely available for electric driving when configured with fast charging. Replenishment of energy is also more convenient. After all, most of the city charging piles are now fast charging. External discharge function is very convenient when driving around, outdoor cooking, fondue, etc. When the Z6PHEV cannot be charged, the vehicle's hybrid system consisting of a 1.5T engine and 110 kilowatts permanent magnet synchronous motor allows the vehicle to achieve low fuel consumption for travel, with an official fuel consumption of 5.7 L/100 km, which is quite ideal for an SUV that is 4.7 meters long. Unlike the current mainstream dual-motor hybrid system in China, the Z6 IDD is equipped with the Blue Whale IDD system, a P2 single-motor architecture, which means the electric motor is located between the engine and the transmission. Not only does it have a conventional gearbox, but the motor cannot drive and generate electricity at the same time. Changan Auchan Z6PHEV length, width, and height are 4,699 by 1,890 by 1,680 millimeters. Wheelbase is 2,795 millimeters. From the parameters, this car has the size of a compact SUV, but the wheelbase is cross-class level, so presumably the interior space should have a good performance. Very much in line with the Chinese consumer demand for large space cars. We can feel the technology and intelligence of Z6 IDD in the combination of 10.3-inch full LCD instrument screen, 12.3-inch center control screen, and 9.2-inch Xiao intelligent screen. This cabin with the combination of 3 screens is officially defined as OnStyle 5.0 intelligent and happy cabin. The system has a variety of human-computer interaction modes such as 4G connectivity, voice recognition, facial recognition, and gesture control. And also has the wind ear, bodyguard mode, no microphone case song, and track mode. A combination of safety, practical, entertainment, and the car system can meet the needs of most users. The front row adopts the sports one-piece seats with unique asymmetric stitching design. The padding is soft and adequate. Especially the left and right lumbar support is in place, and also has a ventilation function. Long-distance driving can have a good degree of comfort. Thank you for watching. Click on the little bell to watch more Chinese cars later.